Hi there, this is Maths with Angela. We're doing some angles in a triangle work here. So the most important thing to remember is that angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. Okay. Also, angles on a straight line add up to 180 degrees and angles around a point add up to 360 degrees. So they're the three rules we're going to use. So I'm going to have a go at these red circled ones and then you can try the rest of the worksheet. So here I have three angles in this triangle. I know two of them. I want to work out the third. So the calculations, two steps. Step number one, you're going to do 52. Add on 27, okay, which gives you 77. And then finally, to work out the missing angle, you're going to do 180 minus 77, which is 103. So this missing angle up here is 103. Okay then. Right, let's have a look at B3. So again, we've got to work out this missing angle in this triangle here, but we need, like we did here with 52 and 27, we need to know what these two ones in here are. Okay, so to work out this first one here, we have a straight line, so we know that this 119 and this angle inside add up to 180. So we're going to do 180 minus 119, and that will find out the angle on the inside on the left, so the angle there is 61. Okay, and this angle this side, do the same thing. So pause, have a go. So yes, so we're doing 180 minus 137, which is 43 degrees. Okay, and now we're back to our normal scenario here. We have two angles here, so pause, have a go, see if you can work out x. So yeah, so we're doing 61, add the 43, which is 104. So then we're doing 180 minus 104, which is 76, which is the missing angle up here. Okay, right. B4. Now, we're trying to work out this outside angle here. So we know we've got a circle with the inside one here. So if we work out this inside one here, we can then take it away from 360 for this one here. Okay, so to work out this one here, we need these two. So we've got straight lines. Okay, so if you got that idea, pause and have a go. Okay, so this angle here is 180 minus 121, which gives us 59. Similarly, we can work out this side here, so 180 minus the 86 gives us 94. And then to work out this top one here, I'm going to add those two together, so 59 add 94 gives us 153, and then 180 minus that gives us this inside angle of 27. Now to work out this, we're going to do 360, because that's a full circle or around a point, minus the 27. So 360 minus 27 gives us 333. Okay, next one, C3. Now we're moving on to isosceles triangles here. So that's the key word, isosceles triangles. So what do you need to know about an isosceles triangle? Well, the base angles, and the base angles are always at the bottom of these ones with the dashes on them. So these two base angles here are the same. Okay, so this one here is 76 as well. So pause and have a go, see if you can find x. So yes, so you do 76 plus 76, which gives you 152, and you take that away to give you an angle of 28. Okay, so that's very similar to the first question here, okay, where you're trying to find this angle here. Okay, I'm not going to do that one over there, I'm going to do this one here instead. So here we've got to work out this base angle here. So we work slightly differently. This and this are the same, but we're given the top one. So we're going to do 180, which is the whole triangle, minus the top one, which is 112, which gives us 68. And then we've got to share the 68 between these two because they're the same. So that will be 34, and so will the other one. Okay, so hopefully that helped for you. So you have a go at C1 and C4. Okay, final example question, D2. So we have an isosceles triangle again. We've got to work out this outside straight line angle on the straight line here. So we're going to work out this inside angle here, which will be the same as this because it's an isosceles triangle. So we're going to do 118 minus 88, and then we're going to halve our answer. So 118 minus 88 is 92, divided by 2 gives us 46. So this inside angle here is 46. And then this is on a straight line, so we're going to do 180 minus 46, which gives us 134 on the outside. Okay, hopefully all that was helpful. Have a go at the rest of the questions. Good luck. Bye.